Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Today I want to tell about a news of cryptocurrency.
Roman Catholic Archdiocese of Washington, D.C. will accept crypto donation platform and givens paid for the archdiocese include the option to send funds anonymously using many tokens from either to ZRX. The Arch the Archdiocese of Washington, D.C. of the Roman Catholic Church will begin accepting donations in cryptocurrency as part of an effort to grow its ministries. In a Tuesday announcement, crypto platform Engiven said it would facilitate facilitate donation to Roman Catholic Archdiocese of Washington, D.C. for fundraising efforts and to increase the church's digital stewardship initiative. According to the Archdiocese website, the funds will be used to directly support 139 DC area policies as well as local programs, including providing food to those in need. The Roman Catholic Archdiocese of Washington, D.C. seeks to leverage technology to engage parishioners in new and exciting ways, making it easier for the faithful to fulfill the mission of the church, said Joseph Gilmore, Executive Director of Development for the Archdiocese. And given is proud to partner with the Roman Catholic Archdiocese of Washington. Why do organizations choose Engiven? Engiven's pay for the Archdiocese include the option to send donations anonymously in many cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin BTC to OX, ZRX, according to the platform. Funds designated for individual purchases receive 100% of the net proceeds of donations. Cointelegraph report in November that Engiven had facilitated crypto donation for more than 400 faith-based organizations, including processing a single BTC donation for $10 million. Founder James Lawrence said at the time that no faith-based organization, church or non-profit can afford to neglect its online audience, donors and seekers, with crypto becoming a part of the ecosystem. While certain dioceses within the Roman Catholic Church seem to be open to using the latest technology, the Russian Orthodox Church said in February 2021 that it was not planning to accept cryptocurrency for donation nor create its own digital currency. A spokesperson suggested at the time that church members send money over the phone rather than crypto. Russian President Vladimir Putin has signed a bill into law prohibiting digital financial assets as payments in the country. Roman Catholic Archdiocese of Washington, D.C. will excite crypto donation platform and gifts paid for the Archdiocese includes the option to send funds anonymously using many tokens from either to ZRX. The Archdiocese of Washington, D.C. of the Roman Catholic Church will begin accepting donations in cryptocurrency as part of an effort to grow its ministries. In a Tuesday announcement, crypto platform and given said it would facilitate donations.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you guys.